This is a demonstration message for the city of Las Vegas, Nevada. It has been 8 hours since the domestic power outage which occurred during the UFO abduction incident. This event is now finally over. However, most of the residents who have been abducted by this UFO have died in Mars, Mercury, Pluto, and the end. There have been 22 confirmed deaths and 64 confirmed injuries. No buildings or homes have been damaged or destroyed. Everything is okay. All sheltered residents should exit the shelter, basement, or indoor place. This demonstration message was to ensure that all the EAS equipment is working as expected. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We will now return to regular broadcasting.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. It has been confirmed that the UFO last night has knocked down some of the 911 telephone poles throughout the city of Las Vegas, Nevada. Residents in the surrounding area will be unable to call police, fire, or ambulance departments in the case of an emergency. Currently, all 911 telephone poles are being replaced. This process can take up to 8 hours to complete. Another alert will be issued to notify residents that the poles are almost complete. Stay tuned for further updates.
"911 telephone outage emergency remaining in effect until further notice. Administrative message in effect for Clark County, Nevada. Currently the remaining telephone poles in Las Vegas are being reinstalled. Once this process is complete, a final alert will be issued.
The 911 telephone outage emergency for Clark County, Nevada has been cancelled. This alert is to inform citizens that all repairs to 911 telephone services throughout Las Vegas are complete. In case of an emergency, dial 911.